man I am today did not exist. I created this man I built this man on top of those fundamentals. I didn't discover that man.
You made me think of something. Do you think, because when I'm thinking about it as man, I'm not thinking about it as Lewis specifically, like the special things that make you Lewis. So I'd say that's probably part creation, part discovery. But when I talk about like a man, like in the most, like not basic, but in the true essence of what that means, do you still think that's something you're creating? Like what a man is, not what Lewis is.
Versus a dog or a elephant.
Yeah, like what is the world responding to? Dwayne's a man versus Dwayne's. I can look at you and be like, Dwayne's Dwayne, but Dwayne's not really a man. You know what I'm trying to say?
So we're talking man and not masculine. Because I know you said elephant. We're males. We're human males, and that's something different.
Well, I'm thinking more so if we're looking at what a guy has to rediscover or what's missing is the masculine, which is if you're masculine in a guy, just call it a man, right? Because if you're a feminine in a guy, they're probably not going to look at you as a like in that way.
Right.
So I'm thinking the masculine in a male person, then that's a man when it's expressed properly. So that's why I'm thinking about it fundamentally. Now, on top of that, you may be Lewis, which is a man, but is a particular expression of man. That's a programmer and a father and is from Jersey, or you know what I mean? Like
so, what I will say is, you create the man you grow into. You may discover the kind of man you want to be. I discover I'm 16 years old and I meet you and I'm like, I like when he did that. And I meet Dwayne and I was like, all right, I bet that's the kind of man I want to be. And you take all these pieces and you create something. You take the ingredients from all the men who inspire you or gifted you with knowledge or something as to what it is to be a man. And you put that all you put all those ingredients together and you create whoever you are based on that. It's an evolution. I think becoming a true man isn't discovering who you are. It's choosing. It's creating who you are going to be.